Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Bottle something up. It is not healthy to bottle your emotions up for too long. Bottle something up. It is not healthy to bottle your emotions up for too long. Mansion. Living alone in that huge mansion, he began to bottle up his feelings of loneliness. Mansion. Living alone in that huge mansion, he began to bottle up his feelings of loneliness. At large. The thief who broke into the mansion is still at large, according to the police. At large. The thief who broke into the mansion is still at large, according to the police. Discern. It was difficult to discern the thief's face on the camera while the thief was still at large. Discern. It was difficult to discern the thief's face on the camera while the thief was still at large. Evict. The landlord decided to evict the tenant after he noticed a pattern of unpaid bills. Evict. The landlord decided to evict the tenant after he noticed a pattern of unpaid bills. Vacate. After being told the owner would evict him, he had only 3 days to vacate the apartment. Vacate. After being told the owner would evict him, he had only 3 days to vacate the apartment. Fall behind. He had to vacate his office as well because he started to fall behind on rent payments. Fall behind. He had to vacate his office as well because he started to fall behind on rent payments. Touch on. During the meeting, I want to touch on why so many employees started to fall behind recently. Touch on. During the meeting, I want to touch on why so many employees started to fall behind recently. Set up. We need to set up a new system before we touch on the legal details of the contract. Set up. We need to set up a new system before we touch on the legal details of the contract. Work one's way up. He managed to work his way up in the company after he helped set up the entire department. work one's way up. He managed to work his way up in the company after you helped set up the entire department.